How do you make amount of money that you need, you desire, you target for, you want on social media? I'm going to be reacting to this query. It's a statement and a question that was sent to me through my status, and at the same time it was sent to me and I was like, wow, I've gotten a video idea. If you refer to a previous video before this one, I put how to get video ideas. You shouldn't run out of video ideas or of videos, because sometimes you can become stuck. So this question was like, Ime, is it really real that you can get such huge amount of money on social media? Guess what? How huge is it? It is only $500 that was there. And that video was about Christmas ideas that can give you $500 in this period, Christmas and New Year's period, this festival season. Now I know there are some people out there have been watching me, have been looking at me, but they still don't believe that you can become a millionaire. You can be someone. You can develop your dreams using social media and internet. Don't worry. Instead of answering him first, I decided to answer all of you, because if you were not having that question in your mind, since you started watching me, my friends, my colleagues, you would have already started making this amount of money. Nevertheless, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says, I cannot hold this smartphone irrespective of how much it is, and I beg for bread. So don't twist the dial today. I love all the ways I'm going to give you today for you to earn some amount of money in today's video, but I love the last one. The last one has just blessed me since I began up to now. So before that, I would love to say thank you to our engagers. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes. If you're looking at it, I'm not telling you that if you start social media, you'll be a millionaire. No, I'm using it for education purposes. I give you 10%, the rest you do research and put it there. So now, going back to our friend, my bestie, who asked me, is a person who has been seeing me. What does that show? It shows that 70% of people who watch things on social media, they take them like for fun. But today, you're going to know it's not for fun. How do you really get such amount of money? Are they people who have been getting money? Yes, I'm here. I'm earning from social media. I started you seeing me, or maybe you came to know me in the middle, but majority of people started, my friends started, when I started, they also started, but they fell out. But nevertheless, let's concentrate on how do you earn from social media. Putting that word, huge amount of sum of money, underline it, because you will be looking at, if you really focus, you will be looking at how to get that amount of money. But what I need you to know is, like, can you earn from social media? Social media is like any other business. The only better and advantage it has, for it, you work at your convenience. You can make it a full-time job. You can make it a part-time job, the way you want it. If you go for it, you'll get it. If you want to make it for vibe, you'll get some little amount of money and you get vibe. So huge amount of money, he was talking about $500. Baby boy, my girl, $500 is not huge amount of money as social media. Now, is there anyone that can say, you can get $500, you can get $1,000? No. It depends on the things I'm going to list for you today. The fact that you accept and that there is amount of money you can earn from there, that is a ticket to tell you that you can earn as much as you target for. But it has conditions. It's not that you just, I want you to remove that narrative of thinking, I'm going to put a social media platform, then I put my hands, I put my account, the money comes. No. So what makes someone earn money on social media? From $1 to infinity dollars, what makes you? One, focus. I want you to get, now class in progress, focus. When you focus, it means you have already accepted. The moment you have accepted that there is money and you put focus, when I'm talking about focus, is to have a target. You put, I want to get $1,000 from social media. When I'm talking about social media, I mean Facebook, I mean YouTube, majorly Facebook and YouTube, because TikTok, it's stray. It's some just some amount of money, because not all of us, and in particular the person who sent me this message, not all of us, we are in countries that have TikTok content monetization. No, not all of us. They don't have the content fund. So we are basing on Facebook and YouTube. Now, when you focus, it means you are going to have a target. 2, you have a niche. The moment you know which niche pays more, that is the second target. When you focus first, you start moving on. Then you discover your niche. If you refer to our videos behind, you go to our playlist, you'll find the 10 best niches that pay highly. And when we are talking about paying highly, here we differentiate between YouTube and Facebook. Facebook needs feeding. YouTube needs niche wise, and it needs quality, it needs focus too. So niching down is very important, because when you niche down, people will know how to ask you, people will know how to follow you. You will also be accessible. As in, the moment someone is searching something, will get you. And when people get you, it means you'll be visible to the world, not only to your locality, not only to your subscribers, not only to your followers. And when people are searching for something that is highly marketable, it is highly paid. Refer to the 10 niches that can pay you highly. When I'm talking about being paid highly, I mean RPM and CPM. The amount of money the advertisers pay per 1,000 views. And this is majorly to YouTube, even to Facebook. Then the third one, it is about your consistency. Most of you, and the person who was asking is on Facebook. Most of you, if let me ask you, if you start a business today and you open once, another one is opening the whole day, 12 hours plus, meaning the person who has opened the whole day is more advantaged to get amount of money maximally that they want, keeping other things for constant. Now, if you just post one post in a day or in a week, do you expect you're going to get money? No. But the moment you have the first thing I told you, focus, finding yourself, and acceptance that there is money, it means you are going to look for the niche and you're going to be accessible by being consistent. When you're consistent, your chances of getting money, of getting that amount of money that you want, is very high. The next is about going with your audience and the trends. Let me first go with the audience. You might have, people might follow you and the audience wants something else and you're posting for them something else. Get to know what your audience wants. Like if you go to look at the trend, like for example for my Facebook, I always twist it. The more the engagement, the more money, the more views. And when we go to the trend, when something has come, it is viral, it means it will pay high. If you're in that season of Christmas like right now, and you're giving out the information for Christmas, for New Year, people, this is what they're searching for, automatically you'll get money. Now the answer is, can you earn money, huge amount of money? Yes. Might not earn amount of money, is zero? Yes. It depends on these 5 things: focus, consistency, niche, variability, trends, your audience. So what are you choosing? Are you choosing to put one and sit, or you're choosing to focus and get this amount of money? Go to the comment section.